Hi everyone, we are LATC. Today I want to discuss with you about 5 must-have stocks for any portfolio. In India, long-term investment is one of the best way to create wealth over a long time. Hence, these 5 stocks is related to the India's growth story, whether India is growing at a rate of 8% or 5% or even 2%. These 5 stocks will definitely deliver a better growth over a long term. Stocks can be broadly classified into 3 major categories: the large caps, mid caps, and small caps. The large caps tend to move little bit slower than the mid caps, and the mid cap tend to move little bit slower than the small caps. So small caps are very good for bull market, and large caps are can absorb the shock whether in the bull market or in the bear market. So in order to be qualified for a long time, it is better to associate with the large caps, especially for a new enter into the market. The 5 stocks which I am going to explain today, all are large caps, all are part of Nifty 50 stocks. These stocks are very good, are the best of India stocks. Let's see. 5 must-have stocks. The number one company or a stock which I am going to explain. I guess there is no surprise because this particular company is part of India's growth story. Without this particular company, India cannot grow at whatever the rate it grows as of now. But the valuation of this particular company is little bit stretched. That is due to the investors are now valuing this company as a digital company instead of an oil and gas company because of Jio, and they have reduced the debt completely. Now it is net debt free company. However, I will not recommend to invest in this Reliance in one go. As a matter of fact, in any of these 5 stocks, you should not invest in one go. You have to invest like kind of a systematic investment plan. Whenever the stock falls, you can go and buy it. Nowadays, everybody have smartphone. Okay, so whenever you see the Nifty is down by 2% or 3%, or whenever you see the Reliance is down by 3% or 4%, go and buy. It's like in a Flipkart you see the offer for particular product or mobile. The same way you are getting this stock for a discount of 3% or 5%. Go ahead and buy for a little bit quantity. Suppose you want to invest 1 lakh in Reliance. So whenever the stock falls by 2% or 3%, go ahead and buy for 10,000 rupees or 20,000 rupees. Like that, you can accumulate this particular stock. This method you can use it for all of the 5 stocks which I am going to explain. Next is HDFC Bank. Yes, this is the number one private bank in India. It grows at the rate of 20% per annum, and the profit is growing at the rate of more than 20% per annum. See, with this kind of growth rate, this what HDFC Bank is going to dominate India's banking system. Hence, this should be part of your portfolio. Again, valuation is little bit stretched, but as I said, you can invest through systematically investment plan. Next is TCS. Yes, it's one of the growth story in information technology. Again, you can invest in a systematic method. The valuation out of all 5, the TCS valuation is little bit stretched. However, you can invest periodically. Bajaj Auto. India's rural growth is dependent on two-wheelers. If you believe in the growth of India, you can hold this stock. And as of now, it is one of the value stock. Its valuation is better than other 5 stocks. And Larsen & Toubro. Yes. So it comes under capital goods category. If you believe that India's construction is going to increase in a next 5-10 years, obviously this stocks is going to perform really better. Yes, these 5 stocks should be part of anybody portfolio. However, like coronavirus, many things can happen in future also. But these 5 stocks definitely there is a high possibility that these 5 stocks can give a positive returns over a long time. Thank you.
To our YouTube channel. We invest, trade in Indian stock market, bond market, and currency market. In this channel, we'll discuss about the economics, stock market investment, and trading in detail. We like to share our investment ideas and basis for the stock selection, trading strategies, and moreover adjustment for the option trading. Hence, I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video.